Hello everyone, welcome to Savi channel, Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. This is Manoranjan. I am working as Assistant Professor in Department of Electronics and Communication. Today we will be discussing about a topic that belongs to the subject Digital System Design, which is there for the third semester student. The topic today we are going to discuss is binary adder. Okay, so now question is, what is binary adder? Binary adder. So in any digital computer, the basic operation a digital circuit perform is an addition of the numbers. So binary adder is a combinational circuit which will be used to add to one bit of data. So that is called as the combinational circuit which is used to add to one bit of data is called a binary adder. The basic binary adder what we have is half adder. In case of half adder, we can add to one bit of number. So whenever we are adding any two number, the chances will get a carry out of it. So when in case of half adder, we'll have two inputs and two outputs. Those two outputs are sum and carry. Okay, so the truth table of half adder is shown below. So as I told you, we will have two input, that is a and b. We have named that as a and b, that is user defined. You can name anything in this input variable, and your output is sum and carry. So whenever we are adding 0 plus 0, my outputs will be 0 and 0. 0 and 1 will give me some value of 1 and the carry will be 0. When it is 1 and 0, again sum is 1, carry is 0. So now the last input combination we have is 1 and 1. So when both the inputs are 1 and 1, so here in this case the binary addition what we'll get is we'll get the value as 1 and 0. So 1 is your carry and 0 is your sum. And mainly we have two types of addition, we call as binary addition and boolean addition. In case of boolean addition, 1 plus 1 will be 1. In case of binary addition, 1 plus 1 will give you a carry of 1 with a sum value 0. Okay, that is shown here. The same thing I have explained in words here. Okay, so this circuit is also called as half adder or half binary adder. From the truth table, if you want to write the logical expression, so it is very simple. What you have to do is, since we have two output, next topic we have here is a full adder. So in what is a full adder now? So it is extension of your half adder. In case of half adder, we have added only two 1-bit number. Here we'll try to add another bit. This another bit is nothing but the carry in from the previous stage. Okay, so here we'll have mainly we are adding three 1-bit number. So three 1-bit number is nothing but two 1-bit number. With that, if any carry is coming out from the previous stage, so that is represented here by C in. So mainly we'll have three inputs, so that I'll show, it is shown in the block diagram. We have three input A, B and C in. The output will be sum and carry. This is the block diagram of your a full adder. Now we'll try to write the truth table. So as I told you, we have three inputs, so 2 per 3, 8, that is we'll have 8 input combination, that is ranging from 0 to 7, that is shown here. And we'll try to write the output. Here also we have two output, that is sum and carry. The normal addition operation we have seen in easily we can write the logic diagram. Okay, so logic diagram required in case of your sum expression. You can see we have how many, we have 4 product term, so we need 4 AND gate and a single OR gate. In case of your carry, we have 3 product terms, so we'll need 3 AND gate and a single OR gate. Okay, so the logic diagram is shown here as well. So as I told you, we need 4 and single OR for sum, and for carry we need 3 and single OR. Okay, this is your logic. This is all about your binary adder. So mainly we have we had discussed about two types, half and full adder. In case of half, we are adding two 1-bit number. In case of full, we are adding two 1-bit number as well as the carry in from the previous stage. Okay, so if anyone has any doubt with respect to the binary adder, you can write me back on my mail ID that is mentioned on the first slide. Thank you everyone.